watching out for number one. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You can get along, give a hand, sleep heavy, be the man. Just there, where you are, do something, be the star. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now.
It was a gorgeous Colorado day, so we thought, oh, let's take a ride up into the mountains. And Sue never likes to go on the mountain gravel roads, so we dropped her off at the casino and we headed on up into the mountains. And it always amazes you all the other people that want to do the same thing, out riding their bikes. And we pulled into this one area, couldn't even find a parking spot. There were so many people with mountain bikes. That's Colorado for you. It's amazing. So we headed up some dirt roads and we tried to get back up to this area where I had gone before, but the snow had blocked the road and we couldn't get in. So we came back to this other place that I had been on before, and here the snow had blocked me before, but this time the road was clear. So we drove back in, and the road is very bumpy and there's some really deep ruts. I don't know if you can see it here, just the angle. And so we drove clear back in here, and this is about where I got stuck last time. The snow was too deep. And I was hoping to be able to go for a long ways back here, but eventually we hit a dead. Well, we hit the end of the trail, so now we're gonna hike a little bit. It's my son Sam. We were gonna hike on this ridge, but it was getting back too close to those gunshots, and I think they have an automatic rifle because they were really going off fast. So we're gonna head back to the Jeep and head back down the trail. Hear those gunshots? Nothing like a mountain lake, even if it is a man-made lake. I just love being in the mountains. Just went up that mountain road right over there. Sweet. Hey, how deep do you think that is?
I don't think it's that. There's no real way to tell. Huh. go, don't stop, just keep going.
We're just trying to see.
Yeah.
This is the point where we got to the end of the road and we did not want to go any further. But we turned around and then here come all these guys. But they did have four-wheel drives with suspensions that could probably handle that rougher road. Plus they were with other people. If they got stuck, they had winches. But we didn't have that. So we turned around, got back to a regular road, and then went back into town to pick up Sue so that we could head on over to Idaho Springs, do a little shopping, and get some pizza. Well, we had a great time up in the mountains, and Sue went to Black Hawk to the casino. She didn't get rich, but we're having a beautiful day with Sam. Sam and I had a good ride. I'll show you some pieces of it. We stopped on the really gnarly roads. We didn't go down those, but now we're here in Idaho Springs. I'm gonna get some pizza. We have good pizza here. Went through a hippie store and went through an outfitter store and a spice store, spice and tea. And I didn't film it because you've seen it all before. Are you mad, Maisie? I know that. Come on. Hi, baby.
Oh, he's over here.
He's watching. The next day, we went over with John and Andrea to this garden, that plot that she has. And it's at an elementary school, and they let them use a portion of this garden area. And she has a nice little spot. We went over and pulled the weeds out. See the school there. And she was taking some pictures of some asparagus that had come up voluntarily from last year. And then we went over to their house and we played a little bit of pinball on their two new pinball machines. They're pretty fancy with lots of lights and bells and recordings and sounds. And you gotta be good because the games play fast. And so it's lots of fun to go over to their house and play pinball whenever we get a chance. Wind down your window. So, what do you think of people who just park right there and walk in?
You don't have a big stick to go.
My mother and my father raised me to be politically correct.
Yeah.
All types of questions.
Yeah.
Like
So you're not going to answer that the way you really believe.
just say it's an accusation.
I bet it is. Our Tokyo found a new place to sit. Yeah, look how cool you are. Sitting up there. Our 19-year-old rag doll. So handsome.